Just got back from the 2026 DecoCrete Decretive Concrete Expo, and it was insane. And just like last year, there was something cool going on everywhere you looked. And after I left the expo in 2025, I couldn't fathom how they were going to outdo themselves for 2026. Well, they did. Concrete experts and artists came from all four corners to compete. And man, did they bring it. No AI bullshit here. Isaac Converse Concrete made this incredible concrete slide, complete with waterfall and steps, rock formations. And after seeing the kids go down the slide a few times, I had to test it to see for myself. Cody with Pro Concrete and Construction made this insane giant dragon head, complete with working fireplace. And wait till you see what this dragon does when he's done with it. Alright, I'm at the DecoCrete Expo, and they added the most ridiculous thing I've ever seen in my life, which is wheelbarrow racing. No, I would hurt myself so quick, it wouldn't even be funny. This is the fun part right here. If he falls off of either side of this ramp, he dumps himself into some water. Everybody keeps getting stuck in this berm over here. And my very good friends Rich and Jenna from Forged and Grain surprised everyone with their full-scale replica of the Simpsons living room made completely out of concrete. Complete with a working concrete TV, and even the phone was made out of solid concrete. And wait till you see what Rich did when they finished. Lugo's General Construction made a full-size truck. Oh, and there's this fun new little game I like to play when I go to the expo called Spot the Rapid Set Cemental. Yeah, the crews like to use the cemental as an accelerator to put into the other concrete to make the stuff kick a little quicker. They don't call it rapid set for nothing. So not only did they get the concrete wine holder to work, they got it to work with 3 of them. I don't know what I did wrong. Chris Land and the Dallas Epoxy guys created this amazing luxury cliffside bath. With the help of my very good friend Andrew Weaver of Weave Designs, they even let me help a little bit. By let me, I mean I just went in there and just went ahead and started flinging concrete.
So you brought your family with you?
Yes, I got to come this year. Oh yeah, and the best part is I got to bring my wife and my son this year. It was so great being able to share this entire experience with them and be able to fling some concrete with my boy. Joseph Redwine with Magus Concrete created this absolutely beautiful stained concrete design that was inspired by cathedral window architecture, which I love cathedral architecture. Tim Dykeman with Concrete Inc. did a baseball diamond, complete with scoreboard, and Keith Duffy with his kick-ass concrete crew created this amazing bar area with a functioning pool table made entirely out of concrete. And they added these great eagle carvings. I know that you get that the theme here is that everything is made out of concrete, but when you're there, you have to constantly remind yourself that everything here is made out of concrete. No joke. But on the second day, when everyone's putting on their finishing touches and they're turning on the water, they're turning on the lights, it's just an amazing thing to see what these crews were able to accomplish in just 2 days. and speaking of finishing touches, Rich and Jenna were so devoted to their piece that they dressed up their entire family like the Simpsons. They even had a Maggie. And Rich was so devoted to his character that he shaved his head and beard to look like Homer Simpson. Way to get into character, dude, but don't ever do that again. I just can't unsee it. I'm just joking, dude. You're handsome, dude. Either way, no, serious, don't do that again. And when Cody lit things up, the dragon head had smoke billowing out of his mouth and his nostrils. It looked so cool, you had to be there. At the end of the day, it was another great expo, great experience, learned some new things, got inspired, and got to see some friends and make some new ones along the way. So I hope I get invited again next year, and who knows, maybe I'll see some of you at the next one. You might want to book your tickets now.